Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the arena. In this video, I will explain how to play Blood on the Sands, a thrilling game of gladiatorial combat. To begin, two players each choose a gladiator and take their unique character sheet. Next, place the Hexgrid Arena board in the middle of your table. Each player then collects 6 special action dice and a set of tokens. Finally, position your gladiator miniature on one of the designated starting hexes, preparing for the fight ahead. The core of gameplay revolves around your action dice. At the start of each turn, you will roll all 6 of your dice. The symbols displayed on these dice determine the actions your gladiator can perform, such as maneuvering across the hex grid board. You can typically move your gladiator up to 3 spaces. Additionally, you can unleash powerful special attacks, but remember, each specific special attack can only be used once per turn. Combat is a central part of Blood on the Sands. When two gladiators find themselves in the same hex space, a clash ensues. To resolve attacks, both players roll 2 6-sided dice, comparing the results to determine hits. Successful attacks can inflict painful wounds and contribute to your gladiator's fatigue. It is crucial to manage your gladiator's endurance throughout the match, as accumulating too much fatigue can severely limit their actions and lead to defeat. Blood on the Sands offers versatile gameplay, allowing for quick, single matches or a deeper, ongoing campaign. In campaign mode, your gladiators will evolve, gaining experience and acquiring new traits over several fights. Regardless of the mode, the ultimate goal remains the same: to defeat your opponent's gladiator in the arena. The player whose gladiator is the last one standing, having overcome their foe, emerges as the champion and claims victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.